Hey everyone, welcome back to my health. Today, we're going to talk about something we all probably have in our kitchens, garlic. It's known for its amazing health benefits, but did you know that certain mistakes when using garlic can actually be dangerous? In this video, we'll cover 10 fatal garlic mistakes that could cost you your life. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Mistake 1. Eating garlic on an empty stomach. Eating raw garlic on an empty stomach might sound like a good idea, especially if you're trying to detox. But it can be really tough on your stomach. Garlic is quite potent, and consuming it without food can cause irritation, leading to discomfort or even ulcers over time. Be mindful of how you incorporate it into your diet. Mistake 2. Over-consuming garlic. We all know garlic is healthy, but too much of a good thing can be harmful. Overeating garlic can thin your blood, which is especially dangerous if you're on blood thinners or preparing for surgery. It can also cause digestive issues like gas, nausea, or even diarrhea. Mistake 3. Swallowing garlic without proper chewing. Garlic's health benefits come from a compound called allicin, which is only activated when garlic is crushed or chewed. Swallowing whole garlic cloves won't allow your body to access all that goodness. Plus, it can be tough for your stomach to digest, potentially leading to discomfort. Mistake 4. Ignoring allergic reactions. Garlic allergies are rare but serious. If you experience symptoms like swelling, rashes, or difficulty breathing after consuming garlic, you could be having an allergic reaction. This can be life-threatening, so always seek medical attention if these symptoms occur. Mistake 5. Taking garlic supplements without medical advice. Many people turn to garlic supplements for their health benefits, but it's crucial to talk to your doctor first. Garlic supplements can interact with medications, especially blood thinners and cholesterol drugs. Without proper guidance, you could be putting your health at risk. Mistake 6. Improper storage of garlic. Storing garlic incorrectly can lead to bacterial growth, particularly botulism, which can be deadly. Never store garlic in oil at room temperature, always refrigerate it. Keep fresh garlic in a cool, dry place to avoid bacterial contamination. Mistake 7. Cooking garlic at high temperatures. When garlic is cooked at very high temperatures, it loses many of its beneficial compounds. If you're frying or cooking garlic, try to keep the heat low to medium. Better yet, add it towards the end of cooking to retain its health properties. Mistake 8. Consuming garlic before surgery. Garlic has natural blood-thinning properties, which can be dangerous if you're about to have surgery. Eating large amounts of garlic before an operation can increase your risk of excessive bleeding. If you regularly consume garlic, make sure your doctor is aware before any medical procedures. Mistake 9. Using old or sprouted garlic. Fresh garlic is the way to go. If your garlic has started to sprout or has become soft and discolored, it's best to toss it. Not only has it lost its flavor and health benefits, but old garlic can also develop harmful toxins over time. Mistake 10. Believing garlic alone can cure major health issues. Garlic is often praised as a miracle cure, but relying on it alone to treat major health conditions like heart disease or cancer is dangerous. Garlic can support a healthy lifestyle, but it's not a replacement for professional medical treatment. Always consult a doctor for serious health concerns. And there you have it. These are the 10 fatal garlic mistakes that could seriously affect your health. While garlic is an incredible superfood, it's important to use it wisely and avoid these common pitfalls. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my health for more valuable health tips. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.